Internal Revenue Services, how may I help you?
Yes, sir. I was returning a phone call.
Yes, this is the IRS Crime Investigation Department, and there is a lawsuit pressed under your name against the tax fraud case. So are you aware about the situation, what is all about and what is going on?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay, do you want to know more regarding the case file, what is all about and what is going on?
Yeah, I would like to.
Am I speaking with Mr. James?
No, sir.
Can you verify me with your correct? Can you verify me with your first and last name
Yeah,
so that I can pull out
my
your
first
case
name is
file?
Justin, and my last name is Yermuff.
Just stay online.
All right.
Your first name is?
Yeah, Justin.
Okay. Justin?
Right. Justin
Okay. And your last name?
is Yermuff. Yermuff.
Yurmuff, correct?
Yer.
Oh, correct. Just hold on the line. Let me pull out your case file.
All right.
Okay, thanks for being hold online, Mr. Justin.
Yes.
Right now, you're speaking to Senior Investigation Officer Sean Marsh, who's handling your case as of now with batch ID IR 11868. Okay, who is handling your case as of now.
Okay. Could you repeat that,
So,
please?
IR 11868.
And what was your name
So,
again?
Sean Marsh.
Okay, I've got it.
Before moving to this case file, I would like to notify you that these lines are being federally monitored and recorded by the IRS headquarters and local authorities. So I would request you do not interrupt me in between while I'm giving you all the information. And once I'm done from my part, I will give you fair enough chance to speak, okay?
Okay, sure.
So, Mr. Justin, there is the lawsuit pressed under your name against the tax fraud case. So can you tell me when did you file your last taxes?
Well, it would have been for 2016. I have not filed for 2017 yet.
Okay, not an issue. So duration, the audit department, there is the audit department inside the headquarters of the IRS Washington, D.C. right now where your case has been registered. So when the audit department audited your case file randomly between the years of 2011 to 2017, there was something unusual going under the calculations of your tax filing.
The
So duration
calculations.
of, yes. So duration of this 5 years, 6 years, there was a miscalculation on your tax filing for the amount of $4,786.77, which is still pending under your name. So it seems that this has been unpaid amount. This was a miscalculation, bad taxes, including your penalties, allegation charges, and some of the miscalculations. So we have discovered the strong evidence inside the courthouse that it was actually the result of an innocent negligence. Rather, we have the strong reason to believe that it was a willful act done to defraud the federal government of United States. Okay?
Okay. I,
So under the
I
statement which
certainly
has
didn't
been,
mean to. It was an honest mistake.
okay, so under the statement which has been proclaimed with the higher commissions, there are pressing 4 serious allegations under your name, under Chapter 13 with under Section 37C. And those 4 allegations which are pressed against you are: Count 1, violation of federal tax regulation; Count 2, violation of Internal Revenue Code; Count 3, theft by deception; and Count 4, willful misrepresentation of the information to the government organization. So now, at this point of time, as we have decided forcefully to recollect this amount from you by invoking the Internal Revenue Code, which is 6331H is in Harry against you. Now, what this means for you is, if you'll try to run away from the situation, or else, if you'll not rectify this case file, Mr. Justin, then, number one, the IRS will mark a lien on your assets, including your house and car, if it is registered under your name. Number two, all your known bank accounts could be frozen and confiscated, which means that you would not be able to access your bank accounts till the time it is frozen, and you will be not able to recover your tax debt from the balance available in your bank accounts.
My bank
Number three,
accounts will be frozen.
yes, if you will not take care about the situation, then and only. Number three, the credit reporting agencies would be notified about your tax fraud, and they are most likely to downgrade your credit rating. Number four, your social security number could be blacklisted, which means you would not be able to gain any government benefits in the future. And your passport will be seized along with your state ID and your driver's license. And if it belongs to a country other than the United States, then you run the risk of being deported back. Because do you know that, Mr. Justin, that IRS will get a non-payable arrest warrant issued against your name? So finally, I have
Man,
completed with my
all
legal
that for
affidavit.
$4,700?
Yes. So now, finally, I have completed with my legal affidavit. Now, if at all you have any questions, then you may go ahead and ask me right now.
Yeah, it just seems like they're saying I'm guilty without knowing the facts. Is the way it seems to me.
Right now, that is not possible that we can send you something in black and white. We can just set up the appointment for you to your local IRS office. But for that reason, you need to follow the standard legal procedure, which is known as EFTPS system, to make this payment. That is known as Electronic Federally Tax Payment System, which you need to follow. And you should have the balance. If you don't want to run away from the situation, if you don't want to get arrested, you should have this balance available with you to resolve this case file. That is 4786.77.
Okay,
That is $4,786.77. Do you have this balance available with you to resolve the situation?
yeah, I've got that much on my debit card. Yeah.
And make sure, sir, don't worry, we are not going to ask you for any kind of your personal information on this federally monitored and recorded line, like your debit card, your credit card information, or else your banking information, to make this payment clear. That is the reason you need to follow the standard legal procedure, okay, to rectify this case file.
Okay,
So
well, let
can
me
you
ask
grab
you
a piece
this.
of
Every
paper?
time my taxes are done, I have a lady that does them. Her name is Tabitha. She runs a tax shop. It's Tabitha's Taxes Incorporated. And she always files on the WD 40 form for me. She's been doing that for years. Isn't that what should be done, the WD 40 form?
Listen, sir, the taxes which you filed did not match the tax error. That is the reason right now there is the lawsuit pressed under your name, okay? And right now no third party's conversation has been should be involved in this situation, because your case is in a third delinquencies bucket, which means the last stage of the resolvent option. Do you know why? Because according to the rules and the regulations, when there are overseas transactions under your name, you need to pay the full portion of the transaction fees to the IRS department, which you never did. They have investigated each and every thing, and they have filed a lawsuit complaint against your name. Still, the transactions are being made for the overseas, and the tax are being pending under your name for the overseas transactions. I am not talking about the income tax which you are filing each and every year in a proper manner. Nothing is problem in that, but I'm talking about the overseas transactions which are made from your end. For that you need to pay the full portion of the tax amount to the IRS, which you never did, which you never showed at the time of your tax filing as well as. And now your case has been registered in the red flag. Your case is reflecting a red flag on your case file. So your you are the authorized person to rectify the situation, to take care about the situation. So I'm not here to force you. I'm not here to convince you, okay? As the courthouse has seen your past genuine records, they have given you the chance to resolve this case file. So I'm providing you the last notification call to help you out regarding this situation if you want. If you don't want, I can simply proceed legally inside the courthouse by releasing the arrest warrant under your name for defrauding the federal government.
No, I
Right?
don't want to do that. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
You said no third parties should be involved. I can tell my wife because her name's on the taxes too, right?
Yes, but sir, right now your case has been registered like in a third delinquencies bucket, which means you are the responsible person to resolve the situation, right? If you are filing your taxes jointly, don't worry about that. But this case has been just registered under your name, Mr. Justin, so you are the authorized person as per the law by the citizen and as well as by the law of the federal government.
Okay, but my
So you need
wife's
to
here
follow
with
the
me. I can
protocols.
tell her, can I?
Exactly. But you need to follow the protocols, you need to follow the standard legal procedure, and you have to stay online with us. I will guide you. I'm going to set up the appointment for you to your local IRS office. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Correct?
All right. Well, I'll go ahead
Where
and
you
tell.
can
I'll go ahead and tell my wife about it.
take your time and grab a piece of paper and a pen so that I can provide you your case file number.
Okay. I've got a piece of paper. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. I've got it.
Note down your case file number. That is CNAC as in Cherry, N as in Nancy as in Alpha,
Okay.
917
Okay.
524
Okay.
708.
Okay.
This is your case file number. Can you repeat?
Yeah. CNA 917-524-708.
Exactly. So, sir, I would like to know your intentions, like you want to resolve the situation on the same federally and monitor record conversation. Is that correct?
Yeah. Can I just go to the website and pay it? I'm looking at the website now. I've got it pulled up on my computer. Can I just pay it on the
No, sir.
website?
That is not possible. You yourself have to reach down to the government certified store where you have to purchase the revenue vouchers in which you have to load this amount and where you have to submit those revenue vouchers to the IRS office.
Government certified
Correct?
store. Would that be like the post office?
Yes. No, it's not the post office. That would be the simple store where you have to get these vouchers in which you have to load the amount, and after that you have to register those vouchers to the accountant department, and then I'm going to set up your appointment to your local IRS office where you have to reach down as per your time period. Correct?
Okay, well where do I
And
get
that
the
would be the standard legal procedure.
vouchers at?
Sir, that would be the accountant department. There will be the legal advisor who will going to guide you step by step what exactly you need to do, okay, and what you not like. You need to follow the protocols as I told you before, right?
Okay.
So, are you talking to me with your cell phone?
Yes.
And you told me, right, that you have the balance available with you to resolve the situation.
Yeah, I've got it on my debit card. Yeah.
And with which bank do you deal with?
Bank of America.
Okay, not an issue. Just stay online. Let me talk to the accountant department as well as to the treasury department that Mr. Justin Yermuff is willing to resolve the situation. and he don't want to just fight this case inside the courthouse in a legal way. Okay, and
All
after
right.
that I'm going to connect you with the senior investigation officer, so stay online.
All
Okay.
right. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so thanks for being hold online.
Yes.
Now, I just talked to the accounting department as well as to the treasuries department. Now, they are going to scan your accounts, sir, the accounting department, like your savings account, your checking account. And if they found any kind of miscellaneous funds like black money, which you are not earning, then they are going to take that amount from your side. Okay, just to
Okay.
show to the federal government. So make sure you don't have any kind of miscalculation amount in your bank account, like in your savings and in your checking. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right. Because I keep the black money at home in cash. So that's right.
Okay, not an issue. So what I'm going to do is that, and how much black money you do have in cash with you?
Oh, not much. Maybe 2,000.
Okay, not an issue. So I'm going to connect you with one of the senior investigation officer who will going to just take care about the situation with you, which you need to cooperate with that officer, who would be the officer to cancel the arrest warrant under your name.
Okay.
Okay, so make sure that.
All right.
So do you have any further questions before I connect you and your conversation?
No, I don't think so. I guess I should keep on filing the WD-40 form, though, shouldn't I?
Right, exactly. So now I'm going to connect you very soon, okay? Stay
Oh,
online.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you for holding the line. Your line has been transferred to the Senior Executive Officer, Richard Parker. Am I speaking to Mr. Justin Yermuff?
Yes, sir. That's right. What was your
Yes,
name
Mr.
again?
Justin.
I'm sorry.
No problem, sir. It's Richard Parker.
Richard Parker. Okay. I got it.
Okay, sir. So your line has been transferred to me from one of my associates, and it states me here that you are willing to resolve this matter with the IRS by paying your tax debt amount.
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Sir, so like, can you please tell me that what's the total amount which you have got with you that you owe to the government? As the person explained you about your case, he must have given you the information.
Yeah, well, he said I owed $4,786.77, and I can pay that with my debit card. I have that much on my debit card.
No problem with that, sir. I do understand that you are having sufficient funds, but this case is related to an miscalculations and unauthenticated activity. So we have to go with the legal procedure in order to straighten this up. Okay? I want you to cooperate with the government so that we can get this matter cleared up from your name so that you won't be facing any kind of consequences or any kind of legal problems in your future, okay?
Sure. Yeah, I would like that.
Okay, sir. So in this matter, sir, what we have to do that we have to go with the electronic federal tax payment system. Because of the red flag mark on your identity, we won't be asking you to give us any kind of your information like the debit card information, the credit card information, because these are your credentials. You are not supposed to give this information on the federally recorded line.
Okay.
Whatever we have to do that we have to do it with the legal procedure. Okay, so first of all, we will be needing a line where we will be staying connected to each other. So is it the number which is 803-234-7449? Is it a cell phone?
Yeah, this is my cell phone. It's the only phone I have.
No problem with that, sir. So as we are connected on this line from the last 21 minutes, as per the guidance of the FBI department, we will be having a short time limit to complete the procedure for an hour and 15 minutes from now. Okay, so by abiding the time limit, we have to complete that procedure within the meantime. So can I get the zip code of your current location real quick so that I can locate the nearest location where you have to go in order to get the electronic bonds?
Yeah, my zip code is 29201.
So, sir, would you please check that you are having your debit card with you
Yeah,
or
I've
not?
got it. Yeah.
Okay, and how much amount of funds you will be having in cash with you?
Uh, well, in cash, I've probably got $2,000 here at home.
No problem, sir. So what you can do that you can keep the cash with you if in need. Okay, you can take the debit card with you. Okay, gather your valid ID proof like a driver's license or a state ID, and don't forget to have a pen and a piece of paper with you.
Okay. My wife can go with me, can't she?
So at this moment of time, sir, like the situation is that we won't be allowed to involve any other person rather than you because we are not having that much time to make them understand about the situation. So it would be better if you will be going there because to complete this procedure, it's not going to take more than 15 to 20 minutes because you just have to get the vouchers from there. You have to register it under your name. Once
Oh,
that will
okay.
be registered in the courthouse, you
Well,
will
the
be getting a
taxes
call
are
from the
in mine and
person.
her name both.
Sir, but at this moment of time, you are very well aware about the situation, okay? And we are
Okay.
having a short time limit. So what we will be doing that we will complete this together. Once that agent will be able to get the paperwork from the courthouse, I will send that directly at your place so that they can make your wife understand about the case. And I
Oh,
think that that will be the best step which we can take right now.
okay. All right. Whatever you say.
Okay? Sir, so in order to get those electronic bonds, there are so many stores where you can go around you because these are the vouchers which is affiliated with the government and these are available at the stores around you. So are you familiar with any stores around you where you can go in order to get the vouchers like any regular store?
Well, I'm not sure. I don't know where you get them at.
No problem, sir. I will guide you. You let me know that which one would be the nearest store from you. Like in order to get these vouchers, you can go to any nearby Walmart, any Target, Best Buy, 7-Eleven, Family Dollar, Dollar General, CVS,
Oh, I've got a Dollar
Costco.
General right down the road.
Okay, no problem. So would you please give me a second? Till the time what you can do, you can take the all the things like the debit card or cash with you. Once you get it, let me know. What I'm doing that I'm forwarding the information to my higher authorities, okay? So once you
Oh,
get all the things, don't forget to let me know. Or are you having it already?
well, I've got it. It's in my wallet.
No problem with that, sir. So would you please hold on the line for a second?
Okay, sure.
Okay, sir. So you there?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So you just told me that the Dollar General will be nearest one. So what you can do that can you please tell me like how long will it take you to get to the parking lot of the Dollar General?
Yeah, probably 10 minutes, something like that.
No problem. So you're gonna go walk in or you're gonna drive there?
No, I'm going to drive.
No problem, sir. So what you can do now that you're having all the things with you. So once you get inside the car, you let me know that you are ready to drive towards the Dollar General. Okay?
Okay. All right. Give me just a few minutes.
No problem, sir, but make sure that you are not putting this line on a mute or on a hold because this is the line which is supposed to be recorded for the evidence of the courthouse.
Okay. All
Okay?
right.
So once you get inside the car, don't forget to let me know.
Okay.
I'm staying on the line.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. I'm in the car.
No problem, sir. So, like, you won't be able to talk to me and drive at the same point of time. So, what you can do, that you can take, like, keep this phone on a speakerphone, okay? You can start driving towards the Dollar General. Once you park your car inside the Dollar General, stay in your car and ask me for the further steps that what you have to do inside the store, okay? So you
Okay.
are not allowed to go directly inside the store. First, get there, stay in your car and let me know so that I can get the information from my higher ones, okay?
Okay. All right. I'm headed that way.
No problem, sir. So once you get there, let me know. Till that time, I can talk to one of my senior authorities and I can understand that what would be the procedure next, okay?
Okay.
I will be on the line for a few minutes. If you want to talk to me, you can say hello to me. I will be available, okay?
Okay. I'm on the way.
No problem. Once you get there, don't forget to let me know.
Okay. It'll take me about 10 minutes.
No problem.
Yeah, and see, that's what the problem was. Because I heard him first. I said, hold on. I said, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Because then I start to taste them. I say, and then I start to smell them. So it's like a smell like tastes like. So I knew something was wrong. I knew something special about it. I had to get up the stairs. So he had so much rhythm. When he was walking up the stairs, he said, doom, doom, doom. Bitch, I started to almost beatbox up in the closet. Oh, boom, boom, boom. But I couldn't do it yet because I couldn't die. I got caught tomorrow. So I'm just a little shook up. That's all that is.
Okay, sir. I'm pulling in the parking lot.
No problem, sir. Once you park your car, stay inside your car and let me know that you have parked your car, okay?
Okay. Okay. I'm parked.
Okay, so you're at the Dollar General, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, so from there, you have to get the voucher for the company which is affiliated with the Internal Revenue. So I can give you the name of that company for which you will be getting the voucher for. It is
Okay.
named as the Google company, and the name of the card is Google Play card. So are you familiar with this card?
No, I am not.
Okay, obviously it's a prepaid card where you have to upload the funds onto that card. So you are getting the voucher for the cash first, correct?
Okay.
Yeah, so like on one voucher, the store people will be allowing you the maximum denomination for 400. So you have to get 5 vouchers from there and you have to upload 400 on each of them. Okay, but if in case, if the store people will be asking you that what would be the purpose for you to purchasing this card, like is it for a commercial use or is it for a gifting purpose, what would be your answer to them, sir?
I'd tell them I'm going to pay my taxes.
Sir, let me tell you one thing, that if you will be telling them that it is for a commercial purpose, they will charge you 50% extra fee for the conversion just because of a business strategy. I want you to avoid those charges because we won't be needing those vouchers and more money because you are supposed to complete the amount which you know. You don't have to pay more than that. So if they'll ask you that for what purpose you are getting the card, you can tell them that it is for a personal purpose. You are not using it for any kind of commercial use. So that you will be avoiding the extra charges. Okay?
Okay. Well, I don't like to lie.
Sir, you are not lying to them, okay? You are just avoiding the extra fees, what they will cost you to earn,
Oh.
okay?
Okay.
So
All
you
right.
don't have to give for money, you can tell them that it is for personal use, but till that time, make sure that you are not forwarding them the information about your case.
Okay.
You just have to grab the voucher from there, you have to come out of the store, you have to let me know that you have got all the vouchers with you. You
Okay.
don't have to talk to me in front of the store people. What you can do, that you can keep me in your hand or in your pocket, but keep the line open. Do not put it on mute or on hold. You can simply get inside the store, get the voucher, pay the bill, get the receipt, and come out of the store and let me know.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna stay on the line. You can get
Okay.
inside the store, complete the procedure, come out and let me know.
Okay.
Right. Now you can get in.
All right. Oh man, it's pouring down rain. Mr. Parker, I'm right here at the gift cards. Are you there?
Sir, I told you that you are not supposed to talk to me inside the store. What do you want to know?
Okay, you did say Google Play cards, right?
Yes, sir. It will be black in color.
Okay.
5 of them for 400 each.
Okay.
So get it, come out, and let me know.
Okay. All right, I've got my student check.
No problem. You don't have to talk to me all the time. First complete it and then talk to me.
Okay. Yes, sir. I need to put, I've got 4 of these and I need to put $500 a piece. Okay, sir. What, do you need anything else? No, sir. That's all. Okay. I'll swipe my card. Yes, sir. You did activate it, right? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, you there? I'm in the car.
Okay, no problem. So you got all of the cards?
Yeah, I got 4 of them. Yeah.
No problem, sir. So it's the time to register those cards under your name. So, like, first of all, what you can do that you can get one card in your hand and put another aside.
Okay.
Okay, like if you will see at the back side of that card, there will be the registration code under the scratch off panel. Can you see a scratch off panel over there?
Yeah, well, I've got to open it. It's in an envelope. Hang on. Okay, I got it.
So like you can see the scratch off panel over there.
Yes, on the back.
No problem, sir. So if you will try to scratch it, it will reveal the registration code. Okay, so first of all, you have to scratch it very properly so that you can see and you are able to see the registration code so that you can register it under your name. So once you scratch it off very gently, let me know.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay, no problem, sir. Now you can read the numbers and the letters over there. So you have to verify me the registration code which you can see over there, but you have to read it like with the phonetic. If it's an A, you have to read it A as an alpha, and if it's a number, you have to mention number 1, number 2 like this. Okay?
Yeah.
So you can start reading the registration code from the beginning so that I can verify it and I can register it under your name.
Yeah, it's a big long number. It's like 20 different ones.
Yes, sir. So can you start reading it from the beginning?
Yes. Let me get it.
Yes.
It says this is a scam. Are you a scammer?
No, sir. Who told you that?
That's what the card says when I scratched it off. It says this is a Mata-chode scammer. Wow.
That was a nice one.
I've never seen a card that said that.
If you will scratch another one, it will say something new.
It probably
You see it?
would. Oh no,
Yeah.
I
So can you
scratched
please scratch it off?
I scratched another one. You know what it says?
Yeah.
It
What
says
new?
it says he is a benchode. And a Terry Makachute. And he's gone.